This is a tractor.
This is a tractor.
This is an ant.
This is an ant.
This is my house.
This is my house.
This is a car.
This is a car.
This is a dustbin.
This is a dustbin.
This is a truck.
This is a truck.
This is a computer.
This is a computer.
This is my school.
This is my school.
This is a bicycle.
This is a bicycle.
This is a toy.
This is a toy.
This is my room.
This is my room.
This is my jacket.
This is my jacket.
This is a dog.
This is a dog.
This is a goat.
This is a goat.
This is a chair.
This is a chair.
This is a flower.
This is a flower.
This is my dad.
This is my dad.
This is my mom.
This is my mom.
This is my friend.
This is my friend.
This is a horse.
This is a horse.
This is a blackboard.
This is a blackboard.
This is a bag.
This is a bag.
This is a watermelon.
This is a watermelon.
This is a hen.
This is a hen.
This is a fish.
This is a fish.
This is a cap.
This is a cap.
This is a book.
This is a book.
This is a table.
This is a table.
This is a tree.
This is a tree.
This is an apple.
This is an apple.
This is a pen.
This is a pen.
This is a jug.
This is a jug.
This is a marker.
This is a marker.
This is a glass.
This is a glass.
This is a sharpener.
This is a sharpener.
This is a pencil.
This is a pencil.
This is a hat.
This is a hat.
This is an eraser.
This is an eraser.
This is a map.
This is a map.
This is a mat.
This is a mat.
This is a bat.
This is a bat.
This is my bed.
This is my bed.
This is my phone.
This is my phone.
This is a carrot.
This is a carrot.
This is a frog.
This is a frog.
This is a clock.
This is a clock.
This is a fox.
This is a fox.